This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Kongsberg Gruppen ASA, a Norwegian industrial and defense technology company. It trades on Euronext under the ticker KOG.OL, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy Kongsberg shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KOG.OL to find Kongsberg Gruppen ASA. Make sure you select the listing that matches the Euronext ticker. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will request you add funds before confirming. After execution, the Kongsberg position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro and more information is available in the description below.